Hi guys, today we are making tacos. We are using one of my favorite, most used Pampered Chef tools. It is called the Mix and Chop. I use it to chop up my ground meat so that it gets really small, and it is super duper easy to use. You just push down and twist, and it crumbles the ground meat up really nice. And then you don't have to worry about, yes, children! You're too loud. Thank you. Sorry about that. My guys are outside and they really like to play. So I'm just using my quick chop, my mix and chop, and just chopping up my meat until it's broken up really easily. And while that is browning, we're going to start chopping up our veggies that we need for our tacos. So all the meat is broken up quite easily now. And while that's cooking, now we're going to use one of my favorite awesome new products. It's called the Quick Slice. We're going to put peppers in it and tomatoes, and we're going to chop them up so it is super duper easy. And just one easy push down. So it got about like 12 blades. Push down real quick, and then it chops it up nice, thin, and easily. I'm going to lift this up, put the pieces down it again. So now it's just going to be chopped up real easy, and I don't have to worry about anything. And minimal, didn't have to go and use a knife at all. So this is what we got. Nice, easily chopped peppers. I'm going to put them up here in my bowl and do a couple more, and then we're going to chop up tomatoes. Because I don't know about you, but I like to have peppers and tomatoes on my tacos. My guys don't, but I enjoy an extra little bit of veggie. And this is an easy way to do it without having to pull out the knife and worry about the kids bumping me as I'm chopping vegetables, because that has a tendency to happen. Because I have two very rambunctious little boys. So we're going to finish chopping up these peppers, not pretzels. And then put them in my bowl of peppers. We're going to mix up the rest of this meat so then we can drain it and then add our seasoning to it, and then we're going to have tacos. Now I know typically most people have tacos on Tuesday, hence the name Taco Tuesday. But my guys took a little bit longer than I wanted to doing our homework last night. It was too late, so then we ended up having some good old lunch meat sandwiches and leftover potato wedges that I had from the other day. So we're still cooking, and turn this up a little bit more. The meat is starting to brown. It's getting a lot easier to cook now. I'm going to put our 2 tomatoes in my quick slice, and we're going to push this down, and so they're nice and evenly sliced up.
Mommy,
pretty cool. Yes, bud?
Mommy got me.
Oh no, what happened?
He got me right here.
All right. Hold on one moment, guys. I'll be right back. We're okay. Just a little bit of boo-boo that needs to be kissed. And now we've got extra easy diced tomatoes. I'm gonna add that to my bowl of taco mix. And the best thing about this quick slice is it's dishwasher safe. Now it does come with a little silicone guard at the bottom. That is not dishwasher safe, but all the parts that I am using currently are, which is wonderful because this is kind of sharp, all the different blades that are at the bottom. But all you gotta do is just put it in the top rack of your dishwasher and you're good to go. So I'm gonna put this in here. Our quick slice we are done with. I'm gonna do another stir of our meat, and then we're gonna start shredding cheese, which is super easy to do, especially with my cheese shredder and cheese shredder guard. And the boys love to help me with this. Right now they're playing outside, so I don't know if they're actually going to come in and help me or not, but you never know. So our meat is just about done. We're going to be draining that soon and then adding our taco seasoning, and then I'm going to use my little quick measure cup to add our water to it. But first we're going to shred some cheese. Right now I've got a block of Colby Jack cheese, which my kids really do like. Their favorite is the orange cheddar cheese, but this is what I got in my fridge, so this is what they're gonna get.
I'm going out front to get
You don't need to go out front to get a stick, bud. You don't, I promise. You don't need to go out front to get a stick. And you're gonna go anyway. Because they're fun. But at least they're getting better at entertaining themselves. And I don't really have to worry about a whole lot. Excuse me, I need to grab another bowl to put all of this quick shred cheese in. So this is my cheese grater. I'm gonna take the copper off. You gotta be careful. It's a microplaner, so it works really well, but it's very sharp, and it is really important to make sure that you are careful, because I don't want to see anyone get hurt. This is something that my oldest son, Billy, loves to do. It's one of his favorite activities. Right, Bill? You like to shred cheese?
Hello.
Hello. Do you want to help me shred cheese?
No, I'll do it.
All right.
I'll do it all for you.
But first, you need to wash your hands, please. Go. Yes, you're on video, Bill.
I know.
All right. You have to say something.
I know.
Say I'm washing my hands. To help my mom shred cheese because it's taco night. Right? Talk. So we set up the cheese on the food holder so that you don't have to hit your fingers at all. I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to help you. Okay.
So, taco night.
Taco night.
Always have tacos every. We should have had tacos. We should have had tacos on Taco Tuesday, but
Yeah, we should have. But it took a while for you to get your homework done, right?
on Taco Tuesday last week.
All right, so we're shredding.
Yeah. Hey, Mom.
Hi, Johnny.
Oh, can I have a piece of it?
Hold on. You're gonna give your brother some shredded cheese. Oh, that is very nice.
It's orange. It's orange and white.
Mm-hmm. Who else likes tacos and cheese?
Me.
Oh yeah. Who else?
Dad.
Daddy likes tacos and cheese. You
and
think he's
Mom.
gonna be excited to have that for dinner tonight? Sorry, I need a colander because I gotta drain my meat. But Eddie likes tacos. You like tacos. Who else likes tacos?
You.
You're right. I do like tacos.
And my mom.
Alright, so watch out. I'm going to drain this, so I just want you to be careful, okay? I'm going to drain the ground meat, run hot water so it doesn't clog up my... So this, taco meat, super easy. You alright, Belle? Be careful, that thing is super sharp, bud. Belle, please be careful.
I know.
Oh, got stuck? Alright, so then...
shred the
Whoa,
rest.
whoa. No, you need to use the guard, please. Belle,
Okay.
thank you. So then what we're going to do...
Is
We're going to switch it, flip it, so it's like this. All right, there you go.
yeah.
Good to go. Good to
And
go.
we have this here so food doesn't go down.
Mm-hmm. All right, watch out. I got my ground meat behind you. We're going to add that to the pan. We're going to get our taco seasoning, if I can find it. I need
Ah, she got stuck again.
1/4 of a cup, so I'm going to use this guy here. So I'm going to use my quick measure. I'm going to measure it till it says 1/4 of a cup. And then I'm going to add my seasoning to it. Right here. So it measures dry ingredients and wet ingredients. It's pretty cool. It's easy, so you don't have to dig through all your cabinets trying to find the right measuring cup that you need.
Yep.
So we're going to do this, and then we're going to mix it all up, add our water, and then it's going to be taco night. You need a new block?
I'll go on a block.
Okay, be careful, please.
I'll
I
save this
don't.
for
You don't need a new block. You got plenty, Bill. You got plenty. We don't need a new block of cheese. All right. So we got about 1/4 of a cup. I'm going to add that to my pan, and then I'm going to measure water. The best thing about this is that it's really easy to measure peanut butter and honey. Any sort of thick liquid, because you can pour it in the top and then push the bottom out, and it pushes it right into your pan. And we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of water. It's got wet and dry measurements. It's pretty sweet. Add that to the pan. Taco night. How are you doing with your cheese, bud?
Good.
Good.
We got stuck again.
We got stuck again.
because I put it on the flat side again.
That's all
But I
right.
can use it that way.
Okay, can I help you, please?
Yes.
Bill?
What's the second? I'll put it in this.
Thank you. You all right, Johnny?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Billy.
Come on.
Done.
Come on. Come on. So we can finish so that way we can have dinner because I'm hungry, you're hungry, Johnny's hungry. Johnny, say hi. Look, say hi.
Hi.
So we're just doing.
We're doing our tacos.
Yup. I'm going for the pickup time, okay?
Okay. So, how is it easier to shred now? Do you think that's enough cheese for everybody, Bill? Yeah.
Dad likes a lot of cheese.
I know Dad likes a lot of cheese. So maybe when Daddy comes home, we can shred him some more, okay? I think what we have in there is enough. Plus, I've got peppers and tomatoes that we can cut up
Hey,
too.
Mom.
What, bud?
Can I stop?
You can stir.
Keep me move.
Yes, I can move. You can stir. All right, stir it up so it's all nice and good. Bill, please be careful. That thing is
Oh, yeah.
super sharp. I want to get the cheese off the counter and put that in the sink. All right. Are we done? All right. And then we're going to just
Johnny,
close that up
off for you?
and put it back in the sink.
Just go.
Goes in the sink.
Okay.
And you can use cutting board, please. Thank you. You are stirring. You're doing a super good job, bud. I'm going to put the cheese in the fridge. And then it's going to be time for dinner. Does that sound good, guys? Are you hungry for tacos?
Yup.
Yeah. Put this in the fridge. And I'm going to show you guys all the shredded cheese that Billy so lovingly made for us for dinner. And then we're going to be done. Look at that. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
I'm going to say thank you for watching Cooking with Meghan, her boys, and Pampered Chef.
Well, we'll see you later.